Hi, I'm Scott Cheng with Find My Way Home, here with great news if you work in a California school or school district. Now, in January 2018, CalHFA, the California Housing Finance Agency, expanded the income limits on all of their down payment assistance programs. In February 2018, they updated and expanded the extra credit teacher program to now include any employee of a public or charter school. Using the new school program, you could be eligible for up to $24,000 in down payment or closing costs. After stacking the school assistance program with CalHFA's other assistance programs, finding your dream home is now the only thing preventing you from buying in 2018. The next step is super easy. Simply click the Get Started button below, give us some basic information about your goals and your situation. Bywise Mortgage is our lending partner that specializes in this CalHFA program. I will connect you with someone on their team that I know and trust. So thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you find your way home.